Near Branson, Missouri, this home features 8.4 acres of beautiful landscaping, tall timber, flowering trees and shrubbery. Enjoy the privacy and serenity of the Ozarks while drinking coffee in the breezeway or sipping tea in the afternoon on your covered back deck overlooking the pond and gently rolling hillside. Inside, find spacious living room and kitchen/dining combo complete with appliances, Corian countertops and tile backsplash. The primary bedroom boasts plenty of room and has a full ensuite bathroom complete with soaker tub and walk-in shower. Second bedroom has Jack and Jill closets and the hall bath comes complete with clawfoot tub and walk-in shower. Outside, find plenty of room to roam on level ground with an 11.5 by 11.4 workshop with cement floor and a 11.8 by 9.5 storage building, both with electricity. And 2-car garage perfect to store all your lawn care and car needs. Just a hop, skip and a jump to Branson or Harrison makes this a perfect location for you and your family.